Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereda and I love sharing everyday hairstyles with you. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. I'm so excited for today's video. I am filming a bow hairstyle that is perfect for this holiday season. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off by picking up a section of hair from right above my temple. And I'm going to secure that with an elastic. I'm going to wrap it around twice, and on the third loop, I'm just going to go less than halfway. Now I'm going to take that bun and I'm going to split it in half, and then I'm going to pin them against my head. Now I'm going to pick up a small strand of hair and I'm going to loop it through one of the bow sides, whichever one is easier for you to pull the strand through, go ahead and use that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and pin that hair into the elastic.
And that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I can't wait to see all of you guys wearing your beautiful holiday bows. Make sure to use hashtag NeredaSpeaksHair and tag me in all of your recreations because I love to see them. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. Until next time, you guys, bye!